distinguished attendees, representatives of the various associations, the respected press, peace be upon you. The genocide of East Turkestan, which was occupied by China October 1st, 1949, is the most brutal tragedy of humanity. Since then, the East Turkestani people have been the target of Chinese state terrorism, genocide, discrimination, persecution, assimilation, and forced labor that has been going on for 72 years. The terrorist state of China still maintains Nazi torture camps despite strong opposition and global condemnation of the existence of these camps in the 21st century. The Chinese regime aims to dry up ethnic identity by imprisoning East Turkestanis in these camps, forcing them to abandon their religion and culture, and practicing ethnic cleansing by implementing by force sterilization of women. On the other hand, they destroyed and demolished nearly 16,000 mosques, tortured, turned some mosques into sheds and discos, and burned the Holy Quran and religious books. Imprisoned thousands of artists, academics, writers, and famous people. We strongly condemn these outrageous and fascist practices of China. Dear audience, China's organization of the 2022 Winter Olympics, despite its aggressive and fascistic policy against the East Turkestan people and other ethnicity under Chinese occupation, is contrary to the Olympic slogan, which symbolizes peace and human brotherhood. Many countries boycotted the Beijing Olympics this year diplomatically because of China's violation of human rights and ongoing genocide. We, as the International Union of East Turkestan Organization, call on all countries to take more right decisions and steps to stop these Chinese crimes committed against East Turkestan people. And we will call all the Arab and the Islamic countries to correct their negative stance on this issue of East Turkestan people and stand with the oppressed against the oppressor. And we call on the sports committees, federations, and committees in various countries, especially the Olympic community in Turkey, to boycott this year's Olympics. And we call all the athletes to take an effective and honorable stance against the fascist Chinese genocide against the East Turkestan people. Greetings from International Union of East Turkestan Organizations. Thank you all.